Good morning guys, and in front of me is brand new iPhone 17 and let me show you how to check flight details. So if you wish to get the latest status of the particular flight, just get the number, and now you've got two options. The first one is to open your search area and provide the number. Now mark the stop indicator here and you've got all details. As you can see, this one has been cancelled. Here you've got all details. If it's actually everything okay with the flight, you will be able to see departure date, hour and date, arrival hour and date, then duration and baggage claim. So this is how you can check it. Then the second option is to open your message or note, whatever. Now paste the code, paste the flight number, tap twice, enroll more options and click on preview flight. And here you've got all details, like all the same details, but in different panel. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.